Out to that rare tsunami advisory for the entire North American west coast from Alaska to California following this massive underwater volcanic eruption in the Pacific caught on satellite off the islands of Tonga. And take a look at these images from Pacifica, California, showing waves crashing into the shoreline. Miles of beaches along the coast closed today as residents were told to stay away. And a top seismologist calling this a once-in-a-decade event. Here's ABC's Zareen Shah.
Tonight, a massive underwater volcanic eruption triggering tsunami advisories up and down the entire west coast of the United States. The National Weather Service's tsunami warning system urging residents to move to high ground and away from the shore. 14 million people under alert. The eruption creating stronger waves from Alaska to California. These massive waves crashing close to a home near Pacifica, California's pier. Orange County beaches closed. Officials and helicopter warning people to get off the sand. This satellite image from space shows the sheer force of the eruption 40 miles from Tonga, waves hitting the island nation and flooding in nearby Fiji. Seismologist Dr. Lucy Jones telling us this is the largest tsunami from a volcano she has seen in her decades-long career.
Having it be underwater and large enough to really displace enough water to be a tsunami is a much rarer event.
As Dr. Jones said, tsunami alerts along the west coast are very rare, about once every decade. The last one here was in 2011. That one caused a lot of damage up and down the coast, and 2 people in Northern California died.